Hey guys, it's Ayami. Welcome to Ayami's Cooking. Today I'm going to make takoyaki for lunch. Takoyaki is very easy to make, so I hope you will enjoy this video. Now let's get started. First, pour water into a bowl. Then add bonito powder. Then add flour. Then mix well. Then add soy sauce and egg and beat an egg and then pour it in the bowl. Ta-da! It's all done. Next, I'm going to mince spring onion. Jan. Next is jan, ginger pickle. So I'm going to mince them too. Then, jan! Octopus! Wow, sugoi! Wow! Huge! So I'm going to make 24 takoyaki balls. So I'm going to get 24 pieces. One, two, three, 4. I'm ready to make takoyaki now. Jan! I'm going to use this takoyaki plate. I brought this from Japan. If you can find it, I saw a lot of takoyaki plate on Amazon. Anyway, spread oil on the pan. And heat this up on medium heat. And make sure you mix this one well again. Then pour them into the pan. You can fill the pan like completely. Then spring onion and ginger pickle. Then octopus, one for each bowl. Then jam wood sticks. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to make balls. Maybe from the middle. Ooh, kita! Ooh. Ooh. Atsui! Atsui! Oishisa! ちゃんちゃんちゃんちゃんちゃんちゃんちゃんちゃん。おいしそう。Now I'm gonna put sauce, okonomiyaki sauce. Then, mayonnaise. Then, bonito flakes. Then last, seaweed. Wow, so good. Oh, it looks super good. いただきます。Outside is crunchy and the inside is really creamy. So good. This is so good. Oh, I'm so glad. Thank you for watching. How was my takoyaki? It was really good. So please try this recipe. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. やだね。